Hey, here we go. We're back on Shape again. We're going to start a new one, Sweep and Revolve. Here we go. We're going to create a new document. Sweep and Revolve. Isn't that cool? Here we go. We're going to start with actually the sweep, which is the more abstract of the two. It's a little unusual. It's a little different, but I think once you see it, there's all sorts of possibilities. If you're wiggling and manipulating pipes through a shape or through a space, if you've got an exhaust system coming off the back, this is something you're going to be interested in, maybe not. All right, we're going to start with a simple sketch. We're going to sketch on the front plane, a little different. We're going to face it up here. We're going to make a spline. We're going to start the order. A spline is just a nice curve, but you'll notice as I pull this tighter and weaker, it adjusts the previous things. And the closer I put these, the harder it is. And then double click, finish it up. There's some weird shape. That's my spline. All right. The closer you put the dots, the more it locks them in place and they can't bend as much between there. The further you can space them, you can do all sorts of things with the spline. All right. Now we're going to make a new sketch. All right. But we are going to select a different plane. We're going to select the top plane here. Top plane is selected. Now it's happy. We're going to make a simple little circle. Just like that. That's all I want to do. Now we are done with our sketches. We're back in 3D space. Here's what we've got. We've got the spline and the circle. We're going to come over here. This is the sweep command. Sweep. Face or the region to sweep. We're going to pick the circle. We're going to select the circle there. That's our area. Now, this sweep path is in orange. We're going to select it, and then we're going to click on the spline, and then it's going to think. It thinks it can, and it's going to sweep. That circle is going to follow along the path, and it's going to come out over here on the end. Keep profile orientation. That means when the pipe turns, instead of the circle staying flat, whether it kicks over and turns with it, or whether it just stays flat and does different things. So we could check that, and it's going to have to rethink. Still thinking. That was a big step. Let's see if we can address that. It's still thinking. All right, we're back. It undid that. It did not like it. You see those red flat spots? Because it kept the circle flat when you keep the profile orientation. That's not cool. So let's deselect that. Now it's going to think. It's going to go back to the traditional, the easy way. And the circle is going to follow so that the spline goes right through the middle of it. And it faces flat or normal to it at all those points. That's a sweep. And you select it. And so if you could draw a path. The path can be any shape you want. And then the face can be anything you want. And it will follow that path. All right. Let's go back here. Let's delete that. Let us delete the spline. So what do we have? We have just this little circle. All right. We have just this little circle. We're going to come up to the top plane here. We're going to do this a little different. We're going to make a new sketch. We're going to select the top plane. Okay. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line. Boop. There it is. All right. So now we've got a line. And our sketch is done. We're back in 3D commands. We're out of a sketch. And I'm going to select not sweep, but revolve. Revolve is very similar, but lower key. Select the face and thing to revolve. Circle. Now, revolve axis, select the axis right there. And what did we do? We made a torus. We made a donut, right? You can make it full. You can make it one direction, symmetric, so that it goes all the way around or it goes both directions. Because this doesn't have to complete all the way around. All right. Notice a couple things. Last little thing. this is not straight. My line, if I come up over here and show you, let's show that line again. That line is not straight to anything. So when I revolve, it is not, it's around the line, but that line could be any direction you wanted. That's the axis of rotation. There's a lot of things you could do. That is sweep and that is revolve. All right, keep learning OnShape, keep doing robots.